Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Right, so I have an unboxing for you ish. This is let me get my book out because I can't quite remember. Let's have a look, see. Okay, yeah, so yeah, I'll keep that open. Put it like that. Hopefully you can't see it because I've got other things on there. So this collection is called Roses Are Red, and yeah, I've decided to print them out myself because yeah, why wouldn't you? If you got a printer, use it. So I printed them out with my Canon printer. Awesome printer. It's never not worked for me, but for some reason this time it didn't work very well for me. I think it's on its way out, to be honest. So these are the sentiments that you get. Hope you can see them. Oh, this collection is called Roses Are Red. Obviously, Valentine's. So these are all the sentiments, and I think they're absolutely brilliant. It says roses are red, violets are blue, I love you, happy anniversary, love you with all my heart. Aren't these beautiful? I like what she's done with all the pictures as well. Love you to the moon and back. I like that one. It's love season. You are the sunshine of my life. You are the apple of my eye. Just for you and always. And I printed these out on, I think it was 100 GSM copy of paper. Could be even less. Could be even 80. Very, very thin. So I've backed this one on some black card that I had. And as you can see, it hasn't printed out very well. But yeah, we'll go with it. I quite like it. It's like a distressed Valentine's, I think. Yeah. Okay, so these ones that I'm going to show you now are from my Canon. The beautiful papers as well. My printer has not done these justice at all. So I thought I would try tracing paper, and it come out really, really well. Apart from a couple of little ink blotches that you see here, there and everywhere, this printed out beautifully. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I think I'm going to make some little envelopes, you know. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. So we have that, tracing paper. I do recommend you print on tracing paper if you can, because it is brilliant. So we have this one. Beautiful. I hope you can see everything. Absolutely gorgeous. So we have that one. I think some of these I printed out twice and some I printed out just the once. Yeah, I think I was running low on ink, coloured ink. I think that's why they didn't come out very well. And I can see they've got all these little, like, I don't know if you can see it, but they've got these like horizontal lines. Yeah, I don't know. So we get that pink one. Absolutely beautiful. Roses. And this one. I mean, I do like the lines, because if you're doing like a journal or something, these would be brilliant to stick on, you know, a journaling page, because it's already got the lines on. So if your printer does that, awesome. So we have this one, which is, what do you call it? Goes from light to mid to dark. I can't remember, lost my words. And then we get this roses one. I mean, they're absolutely beautiful, aren't they? Gorgeous. Ooh, don't keep knocking you. And then there's this one. I love this one. This reminds me a little bit of her vintage treasures. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then we get the big roses. I think I've got two of them. Oh no, just the one. Got different backgrounds on them. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So that is with my Canon printer, and these, as you can see, are so much better. They printed out beautifully, beautiful colours. But this is the print I printed these out on is a brother printer, and it's what our lovely Dawn gave me. And I think something needs replacing in it. I think that's what she said. And it's given me a little bit of a distressed look on these as well, but the colours are so much better. So them are the sentiments. I printed 2 of everything of these, I think. Let me show you. They're all the same paper. When did it start going wrong? I think it started going wrong on these ones. And I don't know if you can see. It's got like pink bits, and it feels like it's been sandpapered. So I don't know if there's a collection of ink on the printer. I don't know how to clean like the printer roller things or whatever they're called. So yeah, they come out like a little bit distressed, which I don't mind. I quite like the way they've come out. Right, so, and they come out with a border on, so I've had to cut out all the borders. So them are the papers, and my explanation why they look so bad. They're not supposed to look like that. When you place an order with Dawn, they would look so much better. Yeah. And I've got to tell you a little bit about this collection. I've got these bits as well. Oh, sorry for sniffing. I've just been outside in the cold. It's absolutely freezing. So this collection is only available on the website. It is a digital, but if you send her a message and you ask her for them to be printed, she will print and post them to you. All you've got to do is leave a message. And about the word sheet as well, you can either get the words printed out on A4, 2 A4s, or 1 A4 and 1 A5. I'm not sure. Yeah, but yeah, send her a message if you haven't got a printer, or like me, your printer's doing one on you. Just send her a message and ask her if she can print and post for you, and she's more than happy to do that for you. Yeah, so let's get on with the rest of it. So along with this collection, you get the ephemera, these roses, absolutely beautiful, so all different sizes. You get some leaves as well, gorgeous. And the paper pad, the paper collection, you can cut the roses out. I mean, let me show you this one. You can cut the roses out, and yeah, you know, if you're into your fussy cutting, yeah, why not? So you get all different sizes. These little tiny ones, they're so cute. So you get them. So you get 4 really small ones. You get 1 big one. You get 1 of them ones, and 2 of the medium sized ones. Are they the same size? Yes, they're the same size. So you do get that ephemera as well. And oh my goodness, she's outdone herself yet again. We have, oh my god, I was so excited when she told me she was doing this. We have a stamp set, and this stamp set represents me and our lovely Dawn. So you probably recognise the raccoon. This is Carter Raccoon, and this is named after me. My last name is Cartwright. So it's Carter Raccoon. So this is me. Of course there had to be butterflies. And look, a little owl. Absolutely gorgeous. I had the privilege. She asked me to design an owl for her. So I did. So this is it. Absolutely amazing. I love that she's done the cock eyes. Yeah, I like that. So you do get 2 butterflies, 2 flowers, and it says best friends always. Yes, indeed, best friends for life. So yeah, that is the stamp set, and I am wow. Yeah, so this stamp set is available on the website, and it's also available on her Etsy. The paper collection, Roses Are Red, is only available on the website, along with the ephemera. I think that's all I need to tell you. Let me just have a little nosy. Right, I've got so much to remember. It's a good job that I've written everything down. Right, yes, that's all I need to do. That's all I need to tell you. So there we go. That is, oh my god, I can't wait to play. So that is February's Roses Are Red collection, and it's absolutely beautiful papers. So yeah, everything will be linked in the description box below, so please go and check that out. All the gorgeous design team members will be playing with this as well, and look out for sneaky peeks, because there will be a few sneak peeks. Also go over onto Dawn's Facebook group. There will be sneak peeks on there if you haven't seen them already. She's been very sneaky, showing you this gorgeous stamp set, and I've been loving it. So yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna play. Yeah. So I'm going to stop the video on this, get that sorted out, and then I'm going to play. Oh yeah, I cannot wait. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Oh my god. If you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in the video very soon. Bye bye for now.